You have to power on the AC adapter and wait for 30 seconds. Okay, for the CCTV completely start up, you will hear a voice prompt with access point established followed by access point ready. Okay, so we wait for a moment. Yes, system is starting. This is the voice prompt and we need to hear access point established followed by access point ready. Okay, and let me explain. This is the LAN port. This is the LAN port. If you want to use the LAN cable also can. LAN cable plug to your router and then you can immediately access. If don't, just set up with the Wi-Fi. System start out completed now. Access point preparing. Access point preparing. You need. Yes, this is the voice prompt. Access point ready. Once you hear the access point ready on your phone, setting Wi-Fi, you can find the CCTV. Wi-Fi name start with the MV. If you want to reset, this is the reset button. Reset. Press and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Restore factory default settings.
Okay, after you reset, you need to hear the voice prompt like this. Okay? Access point ready. So we wait for a moment. Just a moment.
Access point ready.
Yes. So now you can go to your phone setting, Wi-Fi, and find the CCTV Wi-Fi name start with the MV. Thank you.